Hey folks, welcome to Sawnee Mountain Motors Online. Mike Stout, appreciate you guys shopping. Today we've got a 19 Mini Cooper 4-door. It's a hardtop S, super nice, 58,000 miles. If you watch my videos, you may recognize this car. I sold it to a gentleman in North Carolina, and it's an automatic. He bought it to flat tow behind his motorhome, but obviously you can't flat tow an automatic behind your motorhome. So he just left it in his garage for about a month while it took me to find him a manual. Manual minis are getting really scarce. We finally found him a beautiful little manual green S model. So he brought this back, and I bought it back and put him in the new green one. But this thing is exceptionally nice. It had already been through our service. It hadn't been driven since then. Fully serviced, all the fluids, the filters. There's no issues or problems. Put 4 new tires on it and clean it and detail it, and it's ready for delivery. But beautiful little car. As always, you can give me a call on my cell anytime. I pretty much answer day or night. Mike Stout, 404-867-5028. Thanks so much. Appreciate you guys looking.